Womp. And it continues. This is a good strat, man. 30 minutes on, and then just post the video really quick, and then keep recording. By the time I finish, the video's uploaded. Let's go. Don't neglect it. Yeah, I'm aware of that, buddy. I am aware. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bucko. I'm aware, motherfucker. Oh, hell no. Okay. VS Code. Oh, wait. Oh, this isn't VS Code. I forget VS Code's online. Never mind. Never mind. Stepping. Okay. Makes sense. Yep. We start here. It will start executing. And if we say step into, it will step into this guy. Value is instantiated, declared, and defined here. Rather, declared, it's defined, which declares it, and instantiated in memory. That's redundant. We can then, well, probably just goes right here. We can step over again and it'll output. And then it'll come back here, and then we can step over and then boom. Is it here? That's redo. I don't even know where step into's at, yo. Just make a little program and then see what happens. Cool. What? Oops. Okay. Oh yeah, let's... Oh wait, what did I see? I didn't even read that. My fault. Oh, hell no. Oh. Damn, really? Man, that's rough. Okay, so we start at the first curly. Step into, step over, step out. Next statement. I didn't do anything. Alright. Step into. 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 Done. Program starts. Step into. Go to the next line. Step into. It's here. Any parameters instantiated? Step into. Here. This is another call. Step into. Goes to that. Bum 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 bum. Step into. Goes out. Or goes to the next line because there's nothing to go into. Step into. Goes back to the end here. Step into. I guess it would just go straight here. Step into. Step into. Bump. Try again. Step into. 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 Okay. Alright. Recompile. It'll run. Console window. True. Neat. Excuse me. Diagnostic windows, holy. Oh damn, call stack, we got it. Holy. We call the boy on line 7. Well, it sounds like 9 is where we're gonna go after this. 115 now. Now we go back to 9. Now I go to 10. Let me look at this again. So when we step into 7, it brings us into the function, but moves the cursor to resume here. Oh. So we're into print input. We get into here. We go next. And then it's going to go at 9. We're at 15 now, but it's going to go to 9 next. Because we're still at 9. So there's a call stack. Main has been called. And it's not done yet. And this function was called. I wonder if it'll explain the call stack. That'll be cool. And we have to finish this guy before we can wrap up main. Where were we in main? We were at 9. That's what's next. Where are we here? We're at 15. We go next. We go back. We go to 9. And then 10. Kill everything. Boom. Oh, true. There is that. Whoa. Ah, so it hasn't run it yet. Now it has run it. Now it'll run it. Okay. Oh, we haven't even, the program hasn't run a damn line of code, not one. Boom, now we've started. Global shit's probably instantiated now. Doesn't exist though. Next line will be print input, which brings us into print input because we're stepping into, not stepping over. Next line will be the first line, which will instantiate any of the parameters that are within this function. Boom. Next, we'll output this input because this is a parameter. This is a void non-value returning function. Pop. Now we will kill all the variables and destroy any of the parameters that have been defined here. Pop. They're gone. Next, we're gonna return to end main, or we're gonna return from main, and then we're gonna end main. Return is not end because it could be a condition and then it returns. But if this isn't true, it doesn't return. So that's not the end. Goes here. Oh, then it returns. That's the end. Cool. Or it's after that condition. So if neither of them are true, then it ends. Otherwise, maybe it's recursive. It keeps going. Ooh, too cold. Too cold. Más frío. I don't know how. Más que? That's like more than, but I don't know what too much is. Más. Too much? Ow. Ah, this chair. Okay. How far are we? 11 minutes. Damn. Got a while to go. 2.5 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, he's there. Makes sense. That's what's next. That will be executed next. Yes, sir. Yup. Okay. Yep. Next will be print value. Step in again because it includes a function, it steps into it. Okay. Choose it again to start and instantiate those guys. Boom. This guy's PC sucks. Sad. Step into again. Executes the outputting of character output. Oh. So the version operator insertion implemented as a function. It may step into that function. Ooh. And step out will finish the function. So if we stepped into it and we just want to go to the end like we had stepped over, good. Instead of having to be stuck stepping in and stepping over, we can step out to get back out. Let's test that. So we step into, over and out, step into, I can step out, boom, to finish the function and get that return value. And go back to whatever called that function. Computer died? Okay. Cool. Yep. See out is buffered. There's a delay between when you do it and when it actually does it. Hmm. Well, yeah. Yeah. The shit only comes out when we flush this motherfucker. That's why, there's some reasons before. I don't remember right now. Let me think. Oh, end line. So C out is buffered, but it depended upon the value. It might have been that certain values can be buffered, something like that, because there's end L. Oh, because end L, end line is buffered too. I think. But then the /n is not, and it automatically flushes. Okay. And let me sit back normal again. It's a time to sit normal. Cool. Okay. Step into that boy. What was I doing? Ah, yes. Get the output going. Step into that boy. Step into that boy. It has input just now, so there's nothing else there. So it outputs them straight away. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't know what causes the flush. I guess it's just because there isn't anything next, so it doesn't. And now it's too warm. Fuck. All right, let me lock it in. Look at that. Already done. Let's go. No, not this channel. Oh, nice. Great. Love this channel. No, no, no. Where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. Is this the right one? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I haven't been rocking. Damn. Yep, we're good for now, so we don't need to do that. Unit buff? Unit buff? It's gotta be unit buff. Okay. To step into, to execute the closing brace, and then it goes back to main. Yes, sure, it does. What? Bro, what are you talking about? Yeah, no, it went next, buddy. It did not do that. This is old news, my friend. This is true of an old debugger, though. I remember that. Oh, my back, man. My skin is just hurting a little. My hair's being pulled against the shirt. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1. Finish the return. 2, 3. Or, oh no, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. So we do 1 to run return. Or 1 to go to return. Okay. 1 to go to the end and then 1 to leave. Oh, true. Debug. Stop debugging. Boom. Oh, let's try it again. Okay. Okay. Every line of the commands makes sense. Well, a lot of them weren't running or weren't even available since it wasn't running. Can't step out if I'm not already in it. Well, duh, of course you have to step into it. Hello? Step over is the next. Step over will ignore them if they're there. Make sense? Yeah, let's do her again. Yo? Oh wait, we're started debugging. I thought this is an error. It's just red. I don't like that it's red. So we step over to instantiate all that shit, which there aren't any parameters, so it's actually not instantiating anything. Another to just run and not step into print input. So whatever the value is would have been returned, if applicable, if a value returning function. And then we go, boom. And then we go again, boom. Okay. In this case, you'll step, you'll start, you'll instantiate the global variables here. You'll then step over this guy. Or let's see, so you start here, and you step over to this guy. You then step over getting his return value, if applicable, here, which is void, so it'll just print it. And then you're here, and then you step over and you go here. Now you step into the start. So you step over, and it will instantiate all the bullshit. Oh, step into until it's on 10. Okay. So yeah, so he started and stepped into, and then stepped over. He could have just stepped over from the beginning, but it's fine. And if you step out, it ends right away, huh? If we just step out, boom. It finishes this function, returns whatever the function does. Cool. Cool. Yep. Skip the function. Okay. Yep. Once it's returned, but if main returns, that shit over. Oh, shift F11. Not doing that. This is a 60% keyboard. No bueno. Yeah, so we could step into main. It'll start main. We'll land here. We could step into print value. We'll start here. And then we could just step out straight away. And it'll bum bum without us seeing it. Print the value. And then be ready for here. We could step into or over to go here. Step into or over to close and destruct. Well, destructing is always in only classes. Destroy
all the variables that were instantiated within main.
Okay. Oh man, it's just like it's... What underwear am I wearing? Ah, it's the shitty underwear, man. When I wear this shitty underwear, there's like a piece of it that bites into my freaking skin. Dang, man. Alright, I'm gonna lock in real quick. Now we're locked. Step into it until inside. Then step out and you'll go boop, boop, Well, we go bup, but this one goes bup because this is an older version of the debugger, which goes back to show you. So it lands here twice. Once to show that this is going to be executed next, but then once you execute it, it comes back to say we're going to go next. So you have to step into it, and then after you have to step into again to leave. Oh, it's actually kind of good. It's got like a little bit of rebound. Do a little. Oh, that's better. No, that's not as good. We'll do the whole thing. Okay. Step out. 5 appears, and we go straight after, because we have stepped out of the function. Yep. Stepping too far. Unreal. Yeah, not wrong. Because you have a state where you have all these variables instantiated, everything has been done and run. Well, I guess what do you have? I mean, you really just have a bunch of objects that are instantiated and outputs. Yeah, it sounds like you're just tripling or doubling at least the copy of the program. Oh, true. A separate state for each step. So every time you store it. That's crazy. Damn! Let's see. Do we have step back? She just said step. That was cool. Oh, I thought. Let's click that. What happens? Uh-oh. Threads. What is that? I have to wait for it to close. Damn. Okay. Oh yeah, done. All right, cool. Integrated running and breakpoints. Oh yes, the breakpoint is right here. And the point is we go to this guy and we run him. Oh wait, maybe not. So we'll do. I don't know how this works just yet. Because normally it interrupts and is an automatic. It's like starting with step into here, where we have to start step into, and then it puts us into basically turn-based mode, where we're going line by line. But in Unreal, you run everything regular, but then once you hit the breakpoint, it pauses, and then you get to go and look at it. Versus here, we just break a bunch of shit. And then run it. It doesn't, nothing stops. This one's not as good. Oh wait, yeah, isn't there... Where's the guy? This one, isn't it? Fuck, it's not that one. art. What's it called, man? Yo, what's the theme called? Heart. What's it called, man? Guy with most damage and chair. What's the dude? What's the dude who's holding a chair? Persona guy who holds chair. Makoto. The name. What? Bro, what is his name? I just wanna. Oh, there he is. A pure-hearted beast. Oh, 31. All right, we gotta stop. All right, go again.